Alright, so here I am exploring that area where I saw that safe at, and it's down over this hillside under this bridge. It's an old TV down here. This is actually an old facility. Check this out. Under here. Wow. Look at this, y'all. Look at this structure. Pretty cool. Wow. Ain't no telling what's over there. Y'all see that ladder going up into that little hole? Yeah, we ain't gonna go over there. Check this out. This is cool. Dream Nation, what do you think? That might be where a homeless person stay at. I'm not sure. But I tell you what, it looked like something is in there. I wouldn't go in there. See the ladder going up in there. But let's go check out this safe. Yeah, there's an old car down there. I don't know how that car got down there. But here's that safe I was trying to show y'all. And somebody actually did get in it. But there's nothing in it. Look like some cards is on the ground. You see? Gift cards. Some kind of key. Hamlet, I don't know what kind of key this is or what this is for. Yeah, but that's the safe. Old bike. Well, that's the end of this tour. I'm gonna get out of here. This might be a party spot for people. I'm pretty sure it is. I'm gonna come back here with my flashlight and see what's in that building over there. It's a cool little structure though under this this garage. Sun shining bright. Comment, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Hit the bell for notifications. If y'all ever seen the documentary Life After People, Earth After People Were Gone, nothing is cut. Trees are overgrown. This is exactly what it looked like. Life after people. Well, time to get out of here.